Hey, it's Jonas from Tori Websites, and in this video I want to show you how the membership sites work that we have built and that we currently, what tools we currently use to build them. We like to use WordPress for almost all the sites that we built, and so this is on a WordPress platform, and this is my jonastroyer.com site. I do have a couple of courses on here that I'm in the process of setting up. This one is the closest to being done, so I'm going to show you how it looks. If I go to click on my logo up here, this is the home page of the site, and then I have courses up here, and you can have that live or you can have that hidden where you have your courses visible. So I have it visible, but you have to be logged in, and you can set it to where and there can be free courses and you can have paid courses. So free or paid doesn't matter. But I'll show you on the back side here in a bit where you mark that whether someone has to be logged in or they have free access. But here I have to be logged in. I did log in, but you can mark what happens. This would be the module, a video. Not a module, but a video lesson. Okay, so you can have modules and lessons and chapters, but you don't have to use all three. I'm only doing modules and lessons for myself. I'm not doing the chapters, but this is how it looks. And then I can hit next lesson, and it takes me over to the next one, and I can go through that. Now, this is a nice layout. You can have comments turned on or off on each page, each lesson. Pretty cool. And this here is going to be an ebook. So the way that looks, if I'm logged in, I'm probably going to add some more content on this page then. But once this is ready, I'll link up this button. If they purchased it, if they have access, they can download here. And if they don't have access, it'll take them over to a sales page or a login page, depending on which way you want to set that. You can do either or. So now let me go back to show you the back side of it and show you how that works. I'm currently using the Thrive, can't think of it. The checkout system through Thrive Cart. Thrive Cart is what it's called. So here it's very, very basic, very simple. Anybody can do this, I think. You add a course, give it a name. It will automatically create the URL, or you can change it. You can create a cover image for the course. It'll tell you exactly what size you need, so you can hop over to Canva or whatever tool you like to use. You can have a video description. So let's say you want to have an intro to your course. For the people that don't have access, they can watch the description, the intro, and then you send them over to a sales page that way. Turn off your comments. You can do author or teacher bios, custom or WordPress. Very, very cool. And then you go to content. It looks like I have to save this first. Let me go back and just go to this one, for example. And then I go to content, and here's my modules and my lessons. If I click it, I can see my lessons. I can move them around. I can also do chapters if you like. I don't. I just use module and lesson. Very cool, very easy to use. And then access restrictions. You set that to restrict access. And if it gets, and then you mark it to say what needs to happen. So I have Thrive Cart product is turned on, or it's connected, and so if that is where you mark that over in Thrive Cart. So as soon as you create a course over here, it will go over to Thrive Cart. It'll tell Thrive Cart that this course is now available. Basically, you create a product over there, connect it to this course, and then anybody that buys that product over in Thrive Cart will have access to this course. It'll tell them, they basically talk to each other, ThriveCart and this Thrive Apprentice. So logged in users only, yes. And then here you can mark what happens if a guest tries to access this course without being logged in. Redirect to custom page. I could change that to redirect to display a custom message, redirect to login and registration page, custom page, whatever you want to do. So I set it to that. This page, basically, if you try to access it and you don't have access, it says this training course is currently not available. Put in your name and email, and we'll notify you when it's next available. So you have lots and lots of options. If user tries to access this course without having access, we'll do the default site behavior, redirect, whatever you choose to do. So tons of options. So very cool. Topics, you can do different topics. That's like course categories or whatever you want to call it. I've got SEO, blogging, list building. And then you can also do bundles. So if somebody purchases a bundle, they would have access to multiple courses because of the bundle. And then I'm assuming, I haven't done this yet on this site, but I'm assuming if I add the bundle, it will show up over on ThriveCart as a product that you can connect, and they will, again, talk to each other just like the course and the product does. So lots of other options over here on your, your logo, your colors, your default colors, etc. Super simple. Add course here, and give it a name. Fill out the details. Give it modules. Once you've created it and you have it the way you want it, at that point you then publish it. Until then, it's saved as a draft. It's not visible on the outside until you publish it. Once you publish it, then you can start selling it or give people access depending on if it's a free or paid course. So here's one of the things I really, really love about using ThriveCart. Let me go over here to Pages, and I will show you. This is a checkout page that I built using our editor, and this is what it looks like if you're going to the checkout page to buy this ebook, this guidebook for profitable blogging. You can completely custom build this page, making it look the way you want. And this right here is the ThriveCart checkout form embedded onto the page. So really, really cool. And of course, on ThriveCart, you can tell it what to do. You have upsells, you have add-ons. You can make complete sales funnels, one-click sales funnels. Or upsells, I should say, one-click upsells, downsells, cross-sells, all kinds of things are possible with ThriveCart. So let's say I want to build a funnel to where I would, let me go back to my courses, and I would sell this ebook, or this guidebook, and as an upsell, I would then offer the Aweber List Builder course at a discount on the checkout or on the confirmation page of this product. So you buy this, and then you have access to buy this at a discount if you like, and then you say you don't want that, and then obviously if you do, you buy it right there with usually one click, and if you don't, then maybe it'll offer this product or whatever. If you have multiple products that you're selling, courses or ebooks, you can create upsells and complete sales funnels using ThriveCart. And I like the way you can completely custom build these checkout pages. Put your guarantees, your product pictures and whatnot up here. Now the upsell pages and etc. would be completely on ThriveCart. It wouldn't be on a page like this, but you get the point. And they're nice pages. They still work really, really good. And you can have these add-ons as well. So anyway, that is how our membership sites look and work. The system we currently use and recommend. It is the Thrive Cart and then the Thrive Apprentice, coming from Thrive Suite. Now, by the way, those are two separate companies. Thrive Suite, Thrive Cart are not the same company. They work together, they integrate well, but it's two separate companies. So just FYI. Thanks for watching.